I'm John Morton, and I'd like to show you Deploy Verify. As a web developer, I already have automated deployment of my sites. When I push code, my pipeline tells me whether the build succeeded or failed. A successful build does not guarantee a working app. A site can compile perfectly and still ship a broken checkout flow, a failed form submission, or a search feature that returns nothing. In production, that can mean lost trust or lost revenue within minutes. Deploy Verify closes that gap. It uses Nova Act to execute real production user workflows written in natural language. After every deployment, my deployment service calls a webhook. That triggers Nova Act to run the defined user flows against the live site automatically. When tests pass, I receive a complete report with screenshots, HTML snapshots, and console logs documenting exactly what happened. But where it becomes more powerful is when the test fails. On failure, Deploy Verify gathers the test instructions, recent commit messages, DOM snapshots, and browser logs, and the exact failure output. The entire context is sent to Nova 2 Lite to generate actionable remediation guidance. It doesn't just report that something failed, it reasons about why it likely failed and suggests what to fix. Let me show you. Here's my deployment service for my site. At the end of the deployment script, I include the Deploy Verify webhook URL. When deployment finishes, it automatically calls the endpoint. Now we can see the webhook execution. Nova Act is running the test against the live site. The test completes. Let's check the email report. This run has passed. I can view the screenshot, inspect the HTML snapshot, and review console logs. I have complete visibility into what the agent experienced during the test. Now I'll show you how simple it is to create a test. This is the page I want to validate. I want to confirm the search feature works by typing reasoning into the search field and verifying that at least one result appears. In the test creation page, I write that in natural language. Enter reasoning into the search field, confirm that at least one item is returned. When I click Generate, Nova 2 Lite transforms that statement into structured, executable instructions and assertions for Nova Act to run. It's that easy. Modern applications are increasingly built with natural language and AI assistance. Deploy Verify ensures that they can be tested the same way, using agentic UI automation and intelligent reasoning to validate real user experience after every deployment. It combines Nova Act for reliable workflow automation and Nova 2 Lite for failure analysis. Now when you deploy your app, you can be sure it works for real users. And that's Deploy Verify. Thanks for watching.